అల్లం పికిల్ చేయడానికి కావాల్సిన పదార్థాలు. హౌ టు మేక్ అల్లం పికిల్ గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ and their ratio. First one, tamarind, చింతపండు 250 grams. Then bellam, jaggery 250 grams. These two, how much ever you take, equal quantity. Then ginger, alum 100 grams. Chili powder also 100 grams. Salt 50 grams. Garlic 100 grams. Dhania 100 grams. Zeera 50 grams. Mentu seeds 10 grams. Curry leaves extra 50 grams. Okay, major ingredients are tamarind and jaggery, ginger and garlic. These three should be in 250 grams, 250 grams and 250 grams. Remaining all you take small quantities. Okay. How to make dry roast all this curry leaf, menti, jeera, dhania, garlic, chili powder, chilies, everything. Dry roast and put mixing. Then mix with tamarind. Tamarind you take out the pulp and mix in that. Then jaggery you take, reheat. Okay. Just pour some water, heat it. Then when it becomes again thick and it converted again to jaggery, that time you remove, and this liquid you pour into the paste. Okay, thank you.